Hello! I think if you are interested in Korean food, then you probably have heard about bulgogi at least once. The sweet and salty taste goes well with beef, so everyone loves it, and it's also one of my favorite meat dishes. You know what? Nowadays, we cook bulgogi with a pan, but when our ancestors started cooking, they used a skewer and directly roasted it over the fire. So some people say that's why it's named fire meat bulgogi. Still in Anyang City, they cook it over the direct fire to make the fire fragrance taste. Interesting, right? And if you had eaten Korean bulgogi before, it's probably Seoul bulgogi that we are going to make today. So now let's make a bulgogi with some mushrooms. Here we go. First, I'm going to make the sauce. Let's put half an onion and half a pear in the blender and grind them. And add other sauce ingredients to the bowl. Now it's time to marinate the beef. Please watch this and marinate it 1 and 1 slice so that they season well and make a good flavor. And then cover the bowl. We are going to let it sit in the fridge for 1 hour. While we wait for the marinating to be done, I will trim the veggies and cut them. In 1 hour, we can pull our beef out of the fridge and stir fry it with the cut veggies. It's done. You may have been surprised this recipe is too easy. Please enjoy your bulgogi and see you next week. Bye!